This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, I'm feeling really humbled right now. There are 4,000 incredible people like you who have checked out my channel and subscribed. As I speak, I have 111 videos, and if you haven't watched any, you should go and see what I have to offer. And as another way to say thank you, guys, I'll be releasing a video thrice a week on my channel. So if you haven't gotten enough of me or my videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel for even more videos, and be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you like to see in the future from me. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So we're gonna celebrate this day by making chocolate syrup swirl cake. First things first, start by preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And for this recipe, you'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, butter, salt, vanilla extract, eggs, chocolate syrup, buttermilk, baking soda, and almond extract. In a medium bowl, beat butter, vanilla extract, almond extract, and sugar. Beat the mixture until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time and beat well. The first thing we are going to do is to prepare a basic yellow cake batter. You only need one batter for this recipe, guys. The chocolate cake is made from the yellow batter. This cake is so simple and straightforward, soft and cakey, tender and moist, better than a box mix, guys. Yes, homemade is always the best. Using the spatula, scrape the bowl. Now we're gonna move to the dry ingredients. Combine flour with salt and baking soda. Give it a good stir. Add alternately flour with buttermilk to batter mixture, beating until well blended, starting and ending with the flour mixture. If you don't have buttermilk, no worries. It's easy to make your own. Simply add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or white vinegar to 1 cup of milk and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes or until slightly curdled and thickened. Then you are ready to go. I love swirled cakes, guys, or let me say marble cakes. How about you guys? There's something so appealing about the beautiful swirl that appears when you cut off a slice of a cake. I love Bundt cakes, guys. Bundt are believed to have originated from Germany. The word Bundt in Germany means tied or bind. So one theory is that a Bundt cake is so named because it was served at social gatherings or for people that you were socially tied to. This kind of cakes are easy to make, delicious, and budget friendly. The batter is well blended. Now we are going to measure 2 cups of batter in small bowl. Use a measuring cup. If you don't have a measuring cup, guys, you can use a coffee mug. As you can see, guys, we don't need to make two batters. We're gonna divide the vanilla batter, add chocolate syrup, then we have our chocolate cake. How simple is that? Add chocolate syrup, baking soda, then use the spatula to mix everything together, just like so, guys. If it's your first time here, welcome to Mama Bui's kitchen, and please don't forget to subscribe and also smash that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. The batter looks good. Now we're gonna pour it into a prepared pan. Just like so, guys. Use the rubber spatula to smooth the top. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Drop dollops of vanilla batter over chocolate batter. Do not mix, guys. Then use the spatula to smooth the top. Pop this into the oven and bake for 60 to 70 minutes. The cake is out of the oven. We're gonna insert a toothpick to check for doneness, and when it comes out clean, that means our cake is done. We're gonna let the cake sit for 15 minutes in the pan, then invert it to a cooling rack to cool completely. The cake is cooled completely. We're gonna run a knife along the edges of the pan to make sure that when we release the cake, it doesn't stick to the pan. Just like so, guys. Now let's move on and do the topping. Next, I'm gonna toast the coconut flakes for 3 minutes in the oven. This is how they look, guys. Then set them aside. Now let's move on to make the glaze. I'm using powdered sugar, melted butter, vanilla extract, and milk. Whisk together the confectioners sugar, milk, melted butter, and vanilla. Pour the glaze over the cake using a spoon. Sprinkle the top with coconut flakes. Our cake is done, guys. Time to taste. So let's cut a slice, guys. Guys, look at that. Soft, cakey, and moist. There you have it, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.